So in this video, I want to spend the time to talk about vector addition, okay? And if I have the vector, say for example, A, okay? And I want to add it to B, and there should be a plus sign, sorry about that, guys. So I have the vector A plus B. Well, this is given by A in the X direction plus B in the X direction, okay? Plus A in the Y direction plus B in the Y direction, comma. Yeah, so this should not be a plus. This should be a comma because we're not adding those. Okay, comma. A in the Z direction plus B in the Z direction. Okay, so this is the general consensus when we talk about the addition of A to B, some arbitrary value. Now the same is true for A minus B, the vector of A minus B. I'm going to split it up into its components. So this will be AX minus BX, okay, comma, AY minus BY, comma, AZ minus BZ, okay? So this is the general idea of the addition of vectors, okay? So maybe if I ask you what is the vector 10, 20, negative 15, minus 5, negative 8, 7. What would the answer be? Okay, well, again, we could split it up. So I'm going to call this A, I'm going to call this B. So the vector A minus B, well, that is simply going to equal to 10 minus the X component of B, which is 5, comma, 20, the Y component minus the Y component, minus, but remember, because I have a minus, we're minus it from 8. Negative times a negative is a positive, so this becomes plus 8, okay, comma, negative 15 minus 7. Okay, so if we do our math, the vector simply becomes what? 10 minus 5, that is 5. 20 plus 8, that's 28. Negative 15 minus 7, that becomes negative 22. So there goes my vector of A minus B. Now the same is true. What if I wanted to add these? What if I say, okay, well, what is 10, 20, negative 15 plus 5, negative 8, 7? Okay, what would the vector be? What would the new vector be mathematically? Okay, well, again, the vector of A plus B, we're going to simply say that is equal to 10 plus 5, okay, 10 plus 5, comma, 20, 20 plus 8, well, again, we have a 20, we have a negative 8 because a plus times a minus is a negative, negative 8, and then we have negative 15 plus 7, okay? So the new vector of A plus B, well, let's do a math. This becomes 15 in the positive X direction. 20 minus 8 becomes 12 in the Y direction, in the positive Y direction. And then negative 15 minus 7, we get negative 8 in the Z direction, okay? And this becomes the vector of A plus B and A minus B. So that's how we do them in terms of math, okay?